Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to live trade videos, where you get to gain access to a lot of educational content on trading currencies, indices, and commodities, and every other asset that regards trading. You can learn a whole lot from here. Alright, so we'll be looking at US 2000 this morning. US 2000, from what we can clearly see, is on an uptrend at this very moment. It is in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, what you'll be looking to do is to buy, right? But from our 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that there's a proven resistance here. Now, if I want to buy, I would want to buy at a low price. The ideal place to buy, you can see what has been happening here. Last time price got to this trend line, it pushed up, and it didn't get to that trend line up until this moment. Okay, it got here, got to the trend line at this point, then it pushed up. Now it has gone back to the trend line. So we are probably expecting price to start pushing back up again. For price to start pushing back up again. So if price is not able to break this trend line, and then you see a bullish candle, once a bullish candle forms, after the first bullish candle, on the next bullish candle, you want to go in for your what? For your buy. Do you understand? So after once, if this trend line is not broke, if it's too strong for this price to break below it, once you start seeing a bullish candle form, after the first bullish candle has formed, on the next bullish candle, you want to go for a buy and just buy it and take your profits around here. You want to take your profits at this resistance here. This resistance here. You want to take your profits at this proven resistance here. You can see there's a proven resistance here. You can check the price level. The resistance coincides with where you have. This was where this particular price was rejected at this resistance level here. So that is where you'll be looking to take your profit on the buy. Now for the sell, if for the scalpers, if you want to take like a temporary sell, if price is able to break and close below this trend line, so you can draw like a what like a line. Let's draw a line. There's a kind of support around there. Let's draw it. So if price is able to break and close below 1893.8, if a bearish candle, is able to close below this price level, on the next candle you want to enter a sell and take your profits at this proven support. If price is able to break below this trend line, break below this price level. Now I put this price level here because some people don't have this indicator, but I won't be doing that every time. Just get this indicator and it will be easy for you. Do you understand? So now if price is able to break and close below 1893.8, on the next candle you want to make sure, check if it's going bearish. If there's bearish pressure downwards, then you enter your sell and take your profit at this proven support, which is around 1890.1. Now let us look out for, we have some fundamentals coming out today by 2:30 p.m. By 2:30 p.m. you will have the core PPI, core retail sales, PPI, and retail sales. So these are high impact events that will be coming out later today by 2:30 p.m. So you want to take advantage of that news and make some money for yourself. So I've given us what I think will happen if it's going to buy, and what I think will happen if it's going to sell. Let us you can mark these areas on your chart. You can mark all these places on your chart. These are very key areas that I talked about, so you can mark them on your chart. This is on 15 minutes. If you mark it on 15 minutes, it also shows on 1 hour. So mark them on your chart. These are likely areas where we expect price action, where we expect some price action. Like I said, if this candle is not able to break this trend line, you can see the trend line is having as a resistance to start to push up. Once the first candle, closes, on the next candle you want to go in for a buy, and try and see how far you can go with that buy. Do you understand? Now then, for the sell, if it breaks this price region for the sell, on the next candle, which on the next candle, check if the next candle is bearish. Wait a while to see if it starts to push down. Then going for enter a sell, and then take that sell all the way to this support at this price level. So that is my take for US 2000.